Hi, howdy, and hello. Here we are, coming to see Peppa Pig today. Big day for Silas. Are you excited? Say hi, howdy, and hello. Where are we at today? All right.
Let's go.
You excited?
Can you wave at me? We found tickets. And the entrance. Oh, we're in. We're here. I see Granny Pig's garden and a happy little pool. Yeah. How much did it cost us to get in with our passes?
$64.17.
And that was for 3 of us?
Yeah.
Cool bean. You ready to party? You ready to jump in some puddles? Let's go. I know, I'm there. We're just dripping sweat. Dripping, I tell ya. Silas, look! It's Granny Pig's garden! Hi! Yeah, go get your picture taken. Let's go meet her. What'd you find, Silas? Wow! The other one worked better, huh? Why don't you try the other one again? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, it stopped again. I wonder why. That looks like fun. Let's go see what else we can find. Who's this guy in the hat? Oh no, that's Pop Pop. I meant the yellow guy. A greenhouse, yay! Hi, Anthem. Hubba hubba. It looks like Peppa herself comes out to play at 10:30 and 2:30, and they have a treasure hunt adventure at 12:30 and 4. Or you can just run on the mountains. Oh, that looks like fun. Well, there's Mr. Bull's High Striker in the fun fair. Looks like lots of little games you can just play and throw things. Oh, here's Peppa's balloon ride. And fishing, duck fishing. Oh, they'll come out this side. And they got a long wait.
Have a great day.
On a day like today where everybody's melting, including me, it seems most everybody might be at the splash pad. Let's go check it out. Not enough of those umbrellas, by the way. And then everybody else is hiding under this bit of shade. There's Mr. Fox's shop, the cinema, restrooms. Looks like a campground. I want to camp in a tent like that. There's Granddad Dog's Pirate Island. Silas will love that one. Hi, Hi, Granddad Dog. Oh, and there's Grampy Rabbit's Dinosaur Adventure. I see dinosaurs. Oh, and it looks like in the camping area, they have tricycles. Oh, that's cool. Bus stop's pretty cool too. And again, even the grown-ups are in the splash pad. I can't, you know. I thought about it. I really did. I thought about it. By the way, you can rent a wheelchair here. I saw that, the motorized one like I'm riding. If you didn't know, I ride a Pride motorized scooter around. But if you needed to rent one, can't bring your own, $75 for the day here at Peppa Pig. I don't know how that worked out, but they skipped a whole bunch of the line. I'm excited. And I found shade. I'm even more excited. Here they go. Oh. Up the first hill. Around the circle. Here they come. Well, what do you think of that roller coaster?
I was scared on it.
No, because I took about 50 pictures.
You were scared?
Look at the many faces. I haven't even looked yet, but
I'll have to include those in the video. You need a drink? Yeah, it's hot, right? Alright, and then they have where you can scan and see your photos. Let's check those out too. So if you're feeling a little sandy or a little like a pirate, head over here by Grampy Rabbit's Dinosaur Adventure. There's sand pits with digging toys and sand castles, all the stuff you need to play in the sand. Then you go over the splash pad and wash off. Alright, the boys are getting on Grand Dog Pirate Adventure. Well, I gotta tell you, we've had the best time at Peppa Pig World here today. And as with many of our videos, the clouds are chasing us away. We're gonna go to the car, regroup, wait out a little bit of a rain shower, and then we're going to the water park at Legoland. But I probably won't film that, so just cause it's a family day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.